Today's new exercise is called Rise and Fall Ball Challenge. This is a low line exercise for us today, but if you're confident in your skills, you can use this on a higher line as well. You're going to need a prop, such as a juggling ball or a bean bag. If you don't have something like that, you can just get like an old sock and fill it with some rice, tighten a knot. That should work. Okay, so 3 progressions. Let's get started. First progression, we're lying down on the line.
Get to a comfortable position where you can be free and floating without touching the ground. From there, I'm looking at the anchor point. Chin is close to the chest or touching. That's where we're going to place, or when we're going to place the ball here. Find a place of balance wherever that may be, but keep in mind that we will be sitting up, so we don't want it too far back. Kind of close to the front of the head. For progression 1, we're going to go from here
To sitting and back
5 times without dropping the ball. That's 2, 3. Kind of get the idea. I'll talk through it a little bit. Some people like to hook the foot to lift themselves up.
I don't prefer that, but try it yourself, see if you like it. Maybe you'll like it. For me, what I like to do is I keep the leg bent here as I go down. Think about curling
until my back touches the line. Always maintaining my chin towards my chest. And to come up, I kind of do the same thing. Bend the knee just a little bit. Use the line to stabilize as I curl all the way up. Okay, and back down. So that's progression 1. Up and down 5 times without dropping the ball. Now moving on to progression 2. You can start here because you want this ball to be positioned in that same spot that we were doing progression 1 with. So start here and come up.
Now it's in position. Now this is where progression 2 really starts. We're going to go from sitting to standing and back to sitting without dropping the ball. So legs are wide, feet are on the line, rolling my chest through, my knees towards the anchor point, pressing my feet down, standing up. All the way to standing, and I'm going to reverse it. Reversing it nice and slow. Bringing my butt close to the line, close. Boom, and then sitting down. So you notice the ball shifted a little bit on me. I had to adjust my neck and my head accordingly. That's part of the challenge, just maintaining all adjustments as necessary to keep the ball up. Overall goal, up and down 5 times without dropping the ball. Do it one more time for demo's sake. All right, get the idea. Progression 2, up and down 5 times without dropping the ball. Now moving on to progression 3. We're going to tie those 2 exercises together. So starting from laying down,
Find that comfortable position. Find floating. Find a good spot for your bean bag or juggling ball, your rice field sock. And know that you're going to go up all the way to standing, and all the way back down to laying down 5 times. So that's the goal here.
sitting, to standing, back down to sitting, to lying down.
Adjusting the head as necessary. Always think about keeping the chin towards the chest, the way up and the way down.
Breathing, having a drishti for a focus point, moving slow, with intention.
That's 2 times. I'll do it one more time for demo.
If you have any questions, always send us an email at slackrobats@gmail.com. Love to help you out.
Woohoo! All right. Finish videos. Love you guys. Keep training. Peace.